You might ask, how does the parallax effect affect the lane?
That's the wrong effect.
Oh, you're right. Okay. You might ask, what kind of effect does the parallax effect have on the lanes? I'm just Uh-oh. Uh-oh, 10 back. All right, well, if you guys saw the High Road Max video, you know that we're gonna start doing giveaways, and that's what we're gonna do in this video. So, moving forward in the video, there are gonna be a series of hints that allude to a specific emoji that you're gonna have to figure out. You're gonna have to post it on my most recent Instagram post regarding the parallax effect. We're gonna pick one comment to win. Hope you find it.
Your hair in the back wall matches the ball.
Oh my God, it does. Thumbnail. All right, we got a handful of things coming at you today. We got parallax effect, pin up and pin down. We're gonna compare the effect to the original parallax, and then we're gonna make some surface changes at the end of the video. We've got the pin down one here. But let's see what happens. Effect! Well, the lanes are burning up a little bit. We're gonna have to start making some changes. We already shot one ball video here, so they're starting to curve. I took a lunch break too. It wasn't really a lunch break. We took a snack break, so the lane's gonna start hooking more too. I'm just making excuses. I suck. This is a pearl parallax, so I'm gonna hook the lane with this one. As previously mentioned, we always listen to our editor, so we're gonna move left. Meh, technical difficulties. You guys know how I've had my fair share of camera issues. Well, Jesse just had his, so now I have to redo that shot. It was the best shot I threw in my life, and you guys missed it. That was kind of cool for a miss. Effect! And if you think the hint is effect, it's not the hint. It's just the name of the ball. Well, ball rep, do we just keep moving left?
Yes.
Yes.
And don't miss it left.
I didn't miss left. I hit the friction quick. Let's try the pin-up one. Now I'm gonna have to assume that this one's gonna look better from left. And we do this all the time with the new storm balls. Pin up versus pin down. The pin down balls hook later. They don't rev up as fast as the pin-up ones, which is why these look better when you're trying to curve the lane. Watch this look terrible. Oh, that didn't look bad. It wasn't terrible. Pin up ball one more time. Hey, does anybody else like swirly balls more? My rev rate's not the highest, so I don't like the balls that are patchy. It makes me feel subconscious about my rev rate. Let me know in the comments. Oh! We might have overdid it a little bit. Yeah, so 70% of our viewers aren't subscribed to the channel. Hit that sub button. Or it'll have a negative effect on you. It can only have a positive effect on us, so why not? It probably won't have a negative effect on you, so please just hit the button, please. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks. Should I try to spare this? Effect? Effect? Is that gonna get the ones on the left or the right? That's gonna get none. Do we still try? Oops. All right, I'll go back to the pin up, pin down. This is the pin down, the pin's down, okay, pin down. Back to the pin down ball. I was once told the longer you hold your shot, the more likely you are to throw a strike. It really couldn't hurt, right? We're gonna keep going back and forth until we miss. Every time I say that, I miss. We're gonna keep shotgunning. Effect! This is how we affect the pins. Nope, that's the wrong effect. Need to English better. Fuck! We're still on! Let's go! We're gonna shoot 300 with this thing. How many is that, 3? 4? I think it's 3. They're clipped pretty good. You know how to fix the clip? Yeah, hit it harder. Oh. 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 Okay, maybe the hit it harder option's not the key with an asymmetric ball because it's already strong. It's already trying to, whatever that means. Can't really explain. I can't explain it, but I'm not going to. But let's move on to the parallax versus parallax effect comparison. Here we have an original parallax laid out the same the pin down layout. And I'm expecting this ball just to be a little bit smoother, a little bit earlier. I've thrown it maybe 3 times since I drilled it. Oh! Well, that was definitely earlier. I mean, I did move right. I fed it to the friction a little faster. Let's get lined up first before we can make a decision on the difference. Definitely earlier. I'm seeing. I don't know if you're seeing the same thing, but I definitely see earlier. A little bit smoother. Doesn't want to get off it quite as hard. I'll go to the same spot with the pin down effect. My pinup one's the swirly one, so that's how you know. Shout out Vice, interchangeable thumbs. All right, same spot. It wasn't quite the same spot, but. And with the Pearl version of the cover stock, the ball is gonna wanna stretch a little bit further down the lane before it hooks. And that's the main thing we're seeing between the 2 balls. Very simple, same core, same cover, just different types. One hybrid, one Pearl. Should we just move on now? I mean, that was pretty. Okay. Now we're gonna make some surface changes to this bad boy. So we're gonna throw one more shot. This is the box surface, 1500 grit polish, I believe. We'll see how it rolls, figure out what kind of surface we need. As you can see, that's still pretty long for that part of the lane. If you run into the situation where you move right and your ball hooks too early, gets offline too fast, you can make a surface change. So it looks like that ball just needs to read maybe 2-3 feet earlier. So we got a 2000 grit pad. Make sure you comment below if you guys want to see a video on surface changes. So just a light scuff just to knock the shine off. Wipe the dust off. Gonna stay in the same spot. We'll see how it rolls. Picked up much earlier. Actually gave it a chance this time. We'll throw a couple more shots. That first shot's always gonna hook a little earlier than the rest because the surface is gonna start to get smoothed out. It's gonna wanna match the surface of the lane the more shots you throw. If you like the reaction on a ball that has a lot of surface, try taking it a step further so it gets to the surface that you want. So for example, I hit this with 2000. If I wanted to stay there, maybe I'll hit it with 1000, throw for a few shots, then it would be closer to 2000. Magic. You can pick these up at your local pro shop. Magic pads. You know, we always got to close out our videos by shouting out one of our viewers. That comment down below if you want to get shouted out potentially in a future video. Make sure you comment something funny. This time we let Marshall, since he's a Seahawks fan, pick the comment. And the comment was, "I'm just here so I don't get fined." By one of my favorite guys in Twitch chat, D-Rod. Shout out D-Rod. This one's for you, brother. I hope it 2810s. I'm just here so I don't get fined, baby. Can I get a oh, God. Oh, I f***ed up. Comment if you want to see videos of Marshall. Subscribe if you want to see videos of Marshall. Like if you want to see videos of Marshall. Okay, bye.